and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making shrimp scampi pasta. For our ingredients, we have angel hair pasta, salt, olive oil, garlic, crushed red peppers, shrimp peeled and deveined, white wine, juice of 1 lemon, seeded and chopped tomatoes, butter, basil, and grated Parmesan cheese. Here we're going to start off with cooking our pasta. We're going to add some salt to our water and we're going to bring our water to a boil. Once you have salted your water, you want to add your angel hair pasta and cook according for about 8 to 10 minutes or until it is done. Then next, you want to drain. You want to reserve about a half a cup of water or so of the pasta water and set aside. Now, while your pasta is cooking, you want to heat your olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. So here we are adding our garlic. You want to cook for 1 minute or until your garlic becomes fragrant. And next we're going to add in our red pepper flakes. And we're going to cook that for another minute. Next we're going to add our shrimp. Here we're adding our shrimp to our pot, which has our garlic and our red pepper flakes in it. I am going to sprinkle some salt onto my shrimp. Now we're going to cook our shrimp for 2 minutes on each side. We added our tomatoes and our white wine. And now we're getting ready to add our lemon juice, our butter. And we're just going to mix our butter until it has melted. Now we're going to add in a little bit of Parmesan cheese. We're going to add our pasta. And then we're going to mix our pasta around. And then we're going to add the rest of our pasta. And you just want to cook your pasta till it is warm. With this pasta, you have fresh tomatoes, garlic, basil. It brings in summertime flavors to a classic dinner of shrimp scampi pasta. We have added the rest of our Parmesan cheese. We left a little bit to sprinkle on the top. And we're going to garnish with basil. We have made shrimp scampi pasta. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eats. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.